So hello guys, you are welcome back to today's update right here on JASMY or JASMY coin. JASMY coin is currently at the 0.0209. We are currently ranked at 96 with a market cap of about $1 billion. We have a 24-hour volume for about $178 million, right? So today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for JASMY, right? So in the last 24 hours, we are down about 4.2%. And so without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we have been monitoring right here the price for JASMY. We have been bullish right here from the bottom around the 0.00500 level, especially when we went above the bull market EMA. And we have seen this sort of massive push right here for JASMY on the channel. We are up more than, let's see, probably more than 8x on our JASMY positions because we were accumulating JASMY right here from October of last year, right? So basically, if we're just looking at how high we are up on our JASMY positions, right? We are up about 800%. So that is an 8x, right? So this is just for context to say when I basically tell you guys that take profit, I mean, guys, we are up 8x, right? That means if you invested $1,000, we are up $1,000, right? And so when we were looking at this structure yesterday, saying that we need to see the price of JASMY push above this 0.021772 right here, this was the mindset of saying that yes, we could see higher price targets for JASMY, but this, yes, as you can see on the 4 hourly time frame, our trending EMAs has flipped bullish, but this is looking like a very weak structure. This was the same thing that happened right here. We flipped bearish, we came like we were bullish, right? Just looking like it was a fake out. And as you can see, we pushed to the downside. The same thing is happening here. We have seen this push to the upside. We were not able to push above the 0.021, and we were seeing that we could see some sort of massive downward turn. And that could be seen when we just look at the daily right? So basically the daily looks quite weak, right? If we just basically look at the chart for JASMY, as you can see, this is a very bearish formation. This candle, this is what we call a doji, right? A top-down doji. The same thing was this candle where we saw here, where we saw this sort of massive pullback right here. We are seeing this same candle showing that because we failed to close above the 0.021772, we could see this push right here to the downside right here for JASMY probably before the weekend, right? So if you are up 8x right here, you bought when we were buying last year on the channel, we were accumulating towards September, October on the channel. As you can see, we are up almost about 8x on our positions, right? So what I'm just saying is just take some chips off the table, right? Do not allow your gains to be gotten back to the market, right? So basically just take some chips off, right? And if we see that correction, then fine, then we are going to buy back, right, into our positions. But if you just want to hold, that's not a problem. We could see that hold. But basically another thing we are seeing on the daily profile is that momentum is still in favor of the BS. That's one of the things we should put in consideration, that we are still seeing momentum in favor of the BS. And so with a very high likelihood, yes, could we see price push to the upside? Very likely. But more than not, this is looking even more bearish than bullish at the moment, right? So basically that's the update right here on JASMY. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.